What's going on, traders? I hope you're all having a great time. It's Raphael back again. It's been a long time. The last 2 weeks I was pretty busy. I was in Amsterdam. I was helping with some of my buddies. I was helping a very good friend of us who is living there to work on his apartment. And more or less, I was just trading from my phone. I was more swing trading, concentrating on the higher time frames, and yeah, I just took some trades, not that much. Like I think I took last week, I think I took like 4 trades or something like that. But I was really chilled. I was not watching them. I was just set and forget them. But let's go over them today in this video. And yeah, I forgot to say, when I was in the Netherlands, I was visiting one of my guys when it comes to classic cars. He got a really nice garage, and yeah, I was looking for something with a lot of power, but it has to be something classic. And then I found this Buick GS from 1972 with around 500 horsepower, and this thing is a beast, guys. I will not show you the car in this video, but I'm sure I will upload another video where I introduce you to the car. Maybe we're gonna have some fun, pop some burnouts, some donuts. Let's see. But yeah, what was happening the last 2 weeks? I was trading DAX most of the time. I had some trades on gold. Let me see real quick if I made some money on gold. Yeah, I made around 40 grand on gold as well, but this was really the first week, like 2 weeks ago. But the last week I was only trading DAX. I was able to make around 130 grand, which is around 2% on DAX. And I want to talk about these trades that I took. Yeah, altogether the last 2 weeks we made around 180 grand, 3%, something like 3%, and for the whole year we are above 13% so far, and I started on 17th of January, so yeah, we are up around 800 grand. Now the first trade that I took on DAX, let's check the 4-hour chart just so you've seen what kind of channel we are moving. So this is the channel, and after that double top over here, I was taking my first trade. That was a winner. This was a sell entry. That was a winner. I closed this one, I think, midnight session the next day, and then it dropped some more. And when it came back to this support resistance level, I was looking for bearish confirmation. Took another trade that was a winner as well, a quick one. And then on that day, I was not trading, which was really good because the market was just slashing around like crazy. Then the market made that move up, and I was like, okay, cool, we have a lot of liquidity sitting here, so probably the market will turn around again. And my analysis on that move was right, but I was not patient enough to wait for clear confirmation, so I was getting in too early, got stopped out on that one. I don't know, maybe I lost 0.25% what I was risking or something like that. Nothing to get crazy about really, but I was a little bit pissed when I saw that the market came up again, just slashed through my stop loss target, and then came down strong. So I missed out on that move. But then when it came back, I was really expecting a bigger drop because I was targeting somewhere here in this area, because this is a significant level. Another level would be somewhere here, but we are moving in this kind of a channel. So yeah, I had to take profits pretty quick and just try to bank on single moves inside of this downward movement. Yeah, I missed on that one, unfortunately, but then when it came back, I was like, okay, let's get in. So I took a very early position with not a good risk reward ratio. This risk reward ratio when we come to the closing, when I closed this position, was not the best risk reward ratio, nothing to be proud of. The next one was pretty good, nearly 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. And the last entry, I mean, the market was moving against me the whole time, but I still had some risk appetite that I was able to put into the market, you know. So I was scaling in again and again. My risk, my stop loss was just above this double top, because I expected the market, if the market will slash through that double bottom, the downward trend is no longer active, you know. So I wanted to get out in this area. Market never hit that area, and I was scaling it up on that trade. And later on, when the market made that huge drop that I was waiting for, I was taking profits. I was when the huge drop came, I was banking my worst position, and then later on, when I see the market, and when I saw that the bulls are taking control of the market again, I was scaling out of these positions as well. Then later on, the market came back up, and I was like, okay, it's time for that big drop. But it it just yeah, it was just still moving up, so I got stopped out on that one time. Later on, I was trying it again because it was on, for me it was, this is what I saw. Look at that. For me, it was like, okay, now this will be the drop again, but it did not drop. The market wanted to really get all the liquidity that was sitting up here. Like I was lucky enough to bank the profits after that move because market came back strong. Then I failed on 2 trades. I've lost maybe 0.5% on these 2 trades, so I was really easy with that. It was not a big deal. But as soon as I saw that all the liquidity got grabbed over here and the market made that strong move to the downside, this was the signal for me to sell this thing again. And this was on Thursday, I think. And I'm still holding part of that position, and I have loaded it up again because I'm still waiting for the bigger drop, you know. I want to see that the market makes a bigger drop, because from the economic side, yeah, it more looks bearish to me, but we never know how long they keep pushing, printing money and putting more money into the market. We don't know. It's still a bullish market, but I really really want to get in on that thing when it starts to drop like crazy. We had this last year when the Corona shit happened, and we had a really nice drop over here where we had made serious amounts of money. And I think this was just the beginning. I'm just waiting until that bubble will burst again. So let's see. I hope the next couple of weeks we will see some bigger drops, some life-changing drops, and I hope you guys are uh, having an eye on that, because we are in a big change situation, and we as traders can bank on that. When other people are struggling, for us it could be a good sign to make some really really good money. Yeah, this is what I wanted to say for today's Sunday. Tomorrow the markets will open again. I will have my eyes on them, see if we can make some money, and I will keep you updated, guys. If you're not in the inner circle yet, guys, you should really check it out. Time is running. We have this offer running right now, 3 days left. $447 one-time fee. You can connect to all traders from our team. We're a couple of hundreds, I think more than 1,000 people in there, 1,300, 1,400, maybe more, from all around the world, who are helping each other. And you're going to learn everything you need to know. We have a couple of strategies in the masterclass course that will help you to make money in this industry, and of course money management systems that are there, so you will never blow accounts again, but you're going to work the accounts up, with the help of compound interest. and then you can make crazy flips. And make sure to check some of these feedbacks we have on the side. I got some more on my YouTube channel. I have a playlist that you can check out as well. We have a lot of student feedbacks, so if you're not sure if this is the real deal for you, make sure to listen to some of these students, and then yeah, let's make some money. If you got any questions, make sure to drop me a message. You will find a link in the description below, and join the free Telegram channel. Sometimes I share pretty great trading opportunities in there that you can follow. And yeah, let's get it, guys. I wish you a great day, and peace out. What you know, every time I, my body in love.